top Facebook and Instagram ad audience of 2024 that is crushing the game for all of my clients. First, hi, I'm Jenny, CEO here at Ads Uncorked. We generated our clients over $7 million with Facebook and Instagram ads last year. I'm really excited to dive in with you. 2024, this one is a game changer. I'm really excited to share with you all about Advantage Plus targeting. All right, Advantage Plus, this is a newer term. It's been around for a few months here within the Facebook and Instagram ad world. And in the past, we've had a few different targeting options that have worked really well. We've done interest-based targeting, where you type in a bunch of interests and Facebook will find those people who exhibit similar behavior or have similar interests to what you type in. We've done lookalike audiences in the past, and this has also been a really strong audience. Now, there's a new player in the game, and I am really excited with how these results are coming out. The new audience type is called Advantage Plus, and in fact, it's called an Advantage Plus campaign. I want to walk you through what this looks like here within Ads Manager and show you how it is that we can set up these Advantage Plus. Basically, with this kind of audience, Facebook's going to find the people. It's similar-ish to broad targeting, where Facebook will go ahead and based on what you're saying in your ads, the video or image you're using in your ads, they're going to find people who will resonate with this. And at first, I was very hesitant because my clients are in niched categories. If I have a client that's in a home decor good or someone who's selling sports equipment or somebody who has an item that's religious, we know exactly who we need to target. And I don't necessarily trust the algorithm to find those people when in the past I've had targeting options that work well. But hear me out on this. It has worked for every single niche that we are in. We've got many clients. I have audited hundreds of accounts this past year, and this is one that is working really well. And all the accounts I'm working in as well as the ones that I'm auditing. So let's go ahead and dive in. I just want to show you where you can find it and as well as how you can get back to the old type of audience targeting if you don't want to use this. So here I am. If we click on create a new campaign, I'm going to go ahead and do a sales objective. And we have two different options. So there's Advantage Plus shopping campaign, and then there's manual sales campaign. If you go manual sales campaign, you'll see that you have all of your old targeting options. Now within the Advantage Plus campaign, this is where it's automatically going to set you up with this Advantage Plus audience. So this is one way to do it. It's sending automatically to website and shop, which is great. If you're not doing this already, I would highly recommend. We're seeing great results for our clients here. Then if you click on next, it doesn't quite look like the ad set level anymore. They basically take care of all of that right here. And they're going to go ahead and they're going to find new people. You can see basically the only options that you have are location. It's just location. There's no other extra like layering that you can do. And then you'll go ahead and click next, and then you can create your ad. And it is literally that simple. It is kind of crazy how simple they've made it. I want to show you though, if you are going in and creating an ad through the manual sales campaign, just want to show you how you can toggle back and forth between your original audience settings and these new audience settings. So here we are at our campaign level. When we go to the ad set level here, all right, budget scheduling. This is kind of a newish option too. They give us either find prospective customers, even if they haven't interacted, or create retargeting ads. It's kind of helpful that they're setting this up for us here now. But down here, so you can see it says check using Advantage Plus audience. So this means, again, we're all good to go. But let's say you want to go back and you're like, no, I had audiences I like to use. And for our clients, we are always testing this out. We'll do Advantage Plus, but you better believe we're also going to do our own in a totally different ad set. We're going to go with some of our other top performing audiences. So you'll click on switch to original audiences, and they give you this message, don't do it. Use Advantage Plus. It can improve your performance. You'll click on use original audiences, and then this is where you have all of your targeting options. So you can come in, you can do your interest-based audience here. If you have previously saved audiences, they will be right here for you. So, all right, and then you'll run through and everything else will work really similarly to how it does regularly. Note that I just expanded this little box here because for placements too, they have Advantage Plus placements. So again, they'll just let you know that they will send it to the recommended placements based on people's behavior and where they think your ads will do best. If for whatever reason you do want to control, you can click on manual placement and you can either run an A/B test, which is fine, or if you know that you've got placements that you want to run it on, like only Instagram or only Facebook, you can do that here. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, I know you are going to love Facebook ads in a weekend. Within ads in a weekend, I go ahead and break down for you the 2 Facebook ad funnels that generated my clients over $7 million last year through Facebook and Instagram ads. I walk you through the very beginning introductory. We go through tech check, making sure that your tech is all set up right. I show you how to navigate Ads Manager, understand a bit more of what you're looking at, and then we really dive into the strategy where we talk about who we should be targeting, how much we should be spending, how to know if your ads are working, and what to do if they are not. I have actual real client examples in here for you. This is an invaluable offer. I know you're going to love it.